A very good morning, friends. Today we'll continue PYQs on application of derivative, lecture number 13. So let us start PYQ of derivative find out 16 times. Since alpha and beta are roots of 2x square alpha and beta are the roots of 2x square plus cos theta x minus 1 is equal to 0. So sum of roots is what? Alpha plus beta is what? Minus b by a. And product of root is what? C by a. We are interested in alpha x to 4. We want alpha square plus beta square. Alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta square is what? Cos square theta by 4. And minus 2 into minus half will give you what? Plus 1. Now we'll go to what? Alpha x to 4 plus beta x to 4 will be what? Alpha square plus beta square the whole square minus 2 alpha square beta square. And alpha square plus beta square we got cos square theta upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 the whole square minus 2 into alpha beta the whole square, which is what? Minus 1 by 2 square. Cos square theta upon 4 plus 1. This is 1 by 4 and 2 will get cancelled, so minus 1 by 2. Now small m is what? Minimum. This will be minimum when cos theta will be 0, because the square will be minimum. Min value of cos square theta is what? 0. Is 0 and max value of cos square theta is what? 1. Therefore, m is what? Minimum value. Small m is what? Therefore, small n is minimum value of alpha raised to 4 plus beta raised to 4, which is what? 0, 1 minus half will be half. And capital N is what? Max value of alpha raised to 4 plus beta raised to 4, and maximum will be what? 1. 1 by 4 plus 1. Minus half will be what? 5 by 4. 25 by 16. 25 minus 8. 17 by 16. We are interested in 16 times capital M plus 16 times capital M is what? 17 by 16. Small m is what? 1 by 2. So 17 plus 8 will be 25. Answer 2. See the next problem. Fx is 3x when when 0 less than or equal to x less than 1. Then greatest integer function is what? 0 when 1 less than or equal to x less than 2. Then greatest function is what? 1. So fx is what? Will be 3x when x is less than 0. And minimum between 1 plus x plus 0 1 plus x plus 0, comma, x plus 0. When 0 less than or equal to x less than 1. Or minimum between 1 plus x plus 1, comma, x plus 2. When 1 less than or equal to x less than 2. And is equal to 5 when x is greater than 2. Here they have taken equal also. So we can simplify further. So fx is what? 3x when x is less than 0. Minimum of 1 plus x, comma x will be x when 0 less than or equal to x less than 1 and x plus 2 that is x plus 2 when 1 and 5 when x is greater than 2. Alpha and beta are the number of points where f is not continuous and it is not differentiable. So we can plot the graph. First is what? When x is less than 0, y, fx means y is equal to 3x. It is line passing through origin. When x is what? Y is what? X. When 0 to 1. Between 0 to 1, it is what? And between 1 and 2, 1 and 2, it is what? X plus 2. Y is equal to x plus 2 means minus x plus y. The double intercept form will give x upon minus 2 plus y upon 2. X intercept minus 2 and y intercept is what? Plus 2. It will be like this. Two, 2, minus 2, 2. Here, this minus 2 and 2 will join. It will move like this. Between 1 and 2. And if it is more than 2, then 5. Y is what? 5 when more than 2. It will be like this. This is 5. continuous function is not continuous, at 1, 2. And for alpha is what? The points were not continuous. So this implies alpha is what? 2, and function is not differentiable at 0, 1, 2. So this implies beta is what? 3. We want alpha plus beta. 2 plus 3, which is y. Let gx is what? 3 times f of gx is what? 3 times f of x by 3 plus f of 3 minus x. So g dash x is what? 3 into 1 by 3 f dash minus 1 into f dash 3 minus x. Now gx is what? Decreasing. G is decreasing in 0, alpha. This implies f dash x minus x by 3 minus f dash 3 minus x. Or first let me write this. Decreasing in this, so g dash x will be less than 0. So f dash x by 3 minus f dash 3 minus x less than, so f dash x by 3 is less than f dash 3 minus x. So x by 3 less than 3 minus x. As f dash x is what? Increasing. Therefore, x less than 9 minus 3x. So 4x less than 9. X less than 9 by 4. So this implies alpha is what? 9 by 4. We want 8 alpha. 8 into 9 by 4, 18. Answer 3. Let s is what? Minus 1 to infinity, and f is a function from s to real number, be defined as fx is this. Let p sum of squares of values of x. Sum of squares of the values of x where fx attains local maximum. And q is what? Sum of values of x where fx attains local minimum on S. Then the value of p square plus 2q is. Since fx is what? Integral minus 1 to x e raised to t minus 1 raised to 11 2t minus 1 raised to 5 t minus 2 raised to 7 t minus 3 raised to 12 2t minus 10 raised to 61. For maximum and minimum, we'll take differentiating with respect to x. So here we'll apply Newton-Leibniz formula. The f dash x is what? E raised to x minus 1 raised to 11 2x minus 1 raised to 5 x minus 2 raised to x minus 3 raised to 12 2x minus 1 raised to 61. So critical points will be what? This will be 0 when x is what? Zero, half, 2, 3, 1 by 2. Sorry, 2t minus 10. 5. If you plot on number line, 0, half, 2, 3, 5. Now we need to take care of x minus 3. This is minus, plus, minus, x minus 3 square will also be minus. Then plus, in even power sign doesn't change. And this is also minus, plus. For maximum, P is what? At maximum at x is equal to 2 and 0. On right, left side to 2 is what? Positive, and left side to 0. Fx has local minimum at x is equal to 5 and half and 5. Now we want P is what? Sum of squares of values of x where fx contains local maximum. P is what? Sum of squares. And Q is what? Sum of values of x where fx contains local minimum. Local minimum at sum of values. 11 by 2. We want p square plus 2q. Consider p square plus 2q 16 plus 11 27. Thank you very much. Life can only be understood backwards, but it must be lived forward. हम जीवन को पीछे से समझ सकते हैं, लेकिन हमें जीना है आगे की तरफ. Thank you very much.